We're making Mexican food because I really want
Yes, we're gonna make fajitas today. This recipe is very easy as well.
And all you need is oil, like always.
Okay.
We need some salsa, which you can just make out of some onions and
We made it ready.
Yeah, and chicken,
Chicken mince.
sweet corn,
Yes.
brown rice, some taco mix, and limes.
Yeah, we cooked the brown rice before, and this is the taco mix spices that is ready in the store. You can just find it and put it here. First of all, we're going to make the minced chicken ready. We add the taco mix to that and little bit fry it. Then I'll tell you what to do. Are you ready?
Yeah.
That's great. Okay. Pan out. Daria, can you get me the oil, please?
Yep.
Thank you. We add a little bit of oil, not too much. Then I need the minced chicken, please.
Oh, that's it sizzling.
Okay. Thank you, Daria. Then I need to add the taco mix spices. Let's see. Better to put all of it. Okay. Daria, what other food, Mexican food you love?
I like burritos, tacos.
Yes.
I also like just like Spanish rice. And I like this,
Fajitas.
guacamole, and nachos.
Okay, I know what's the main reason. Because your mom loves Mexican food.
What type of Mexican food do you like?
All of them, as you said. Taco, like burritos, and any of them. Okay, it's ready. Let's assemble the fajita. Daria.
Yep.
Okay, this is ready. Okay, give me the tortilla bread. Okay, thank you, Daria. We put the tortilla bread here. Then next one is the brown rice that we cooked it before and it's ready. Yes. Let's put the corn, please.
I thought Rogelio and the corn should make good friends.
Please. Okay.
Okay, I guess not.
We put the
Next time,
corn.
Rogelio, next time.
Nice. And the last one is
Salsa.
the homemade salsa. Yes. Okay. You want to put it?
Yeah. How
Are you
much?
comfortable to use that?
Yeah.
Okay.
How much should I put?
Just put it out there.
More.
Yeah. Okay, so
Still.
I'm gonna clear it. Yes, yes, yes. Look at this. So nice. Okay.
Time for the lime.
Oh, you're right. We can put the limes in the corner when you're having your lunchbox.
Be my one and only. Okay.
Okay, close it. Tastes nice.
I love it.
Here is your lunchbox.